In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Cow AI app as a beginner and set everything up step by step. First, open the Cow AI app on your phone and tap on Get Started. Now the app will ask for some basic information. Start by selecting your gender, then tap Continue. Next, choose how many workouts you do per week. Select the option that best fits you, for example, 3 to 5 workouts per week, and continue. After that, choose where you heard about the app. You can select something like friends or family and move on. Now the app will ask if you've used any calorie tracking apps before. If this is your first time, select No and continue. Next, enter your weight and height. If the app uses pounds and you normally use kilograms, quickly convert your weight and then tap Continue. After that, enter your date of birth and continue. Now choose your main goal. You can select maintaining weight, losing weight, or gaining weight. Pick your goal and move forward. Next, the app will ask what's stopping you from reaching your goals. Choose options like a busy schedule or lack of meal ideas and continue. After that, select whether you follow a specific diet. If not, just choose the classic option. You'll then be asked what you want to improve, such as boosting energy or mood. Select what applies to you and continue. At this point, you can connect Cow AI to Apple Health if you want. Allow the permissions and move forward, or skip if you prefer. Next, choose whether you want calories burned to be added back to your daily goal. Select Yes or No depending on your preference. You'll also see an option for rolling over extra calories. Pick the option that works best for you. For notifications and referral codes, you can skip these steps if you don't want to set them up right now. Now tap Continue and let the app generate your personalized plan. Cow AI will create a custom nutrition plan based on your details. You'll see your daily calorie target along with protein, carbs, and fat recommendations. Tap Get Started to begin. Using the app is very simple. Whenever you eat, just use your camera to scan your meal. Cow AI will detect the food and estimate the calories to help you track your daily intake. And that's it. Once everything is set up, the app is very easy to use. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.